It really did take so many people by surprise, taking down trees, flooding streets, dumping inches of rain on our area. And then came the people trapped. Water levels as high as their windows of their cars. Take a look at this. These photos snapped by folks on Rodi Road here in Penn Hills. Much more to come on that.
And lightning strikes hitting homes and trees, causing this fire at this barn. Look at the size of those flames here. Tonight we have team coverage for you. Action News reporter Andrew Del Greco with the places that saw the worst of the mess, and Chief Meteorologist Mike Harvey tracking your morning weather.
Hey Drew, we're going to start with you tonight because so many places got hit so hard. You have the video to prove it, in fact.
Yeah, and I think people in Allegheny County and people here in Penn Hills are used to flooding here in this Rodi Road area, but I think a lot of people did not expect that today would be a day of flooding, but it certainly was. A lot of areas hit by floodwaters. Also, even one area saw lightning and a fire today. In Ohio Township on Mount Nebo Road, it wasn't just the rain that fell fast. With a saturated hillside, large trees slid out of nowhere, knocking power lines on their way down the hill, blocking this road for hours. This car and the driver inside missed being toppled by those large trees by a matter of seconds. And the driver tells us the power lines did hit his vehicle, but he says he's fortunate to have escaped any injuries. Around the same time, drivers on Rodi Road in Penn Hills, a notorious flooding zone, became trapped as the floodwaters rose. This yellow vehicle, one of the victims today. And in Monroeville, cars waded through the overflow of Monroeville Creek at Old 22 and Thompson Run Road. On Bushy Run Road in Penn Township, Westmoreland County, there was this. Fire crews suspect lightning strikes led to this massive barn fire. Firefighters tell us as they got closer to the scene, the roof collapsed. They tell us nobody inside at the time, nor any animals.
It was a big plume, and it had a header on it, so it was easy to locate. Neighbors called it in from across the street. We had units.
And so again, no injuries that we are aware of today, and really just another wild day of weather here in Western Pennsylvania. Reporting live, I'm Andrew Del Greco, Channel 4 Action News.